Imagine a future full of amazing possibilities thanks to innovation. But here's the deal: we need to think about what might go right and what might go wrong with new tech. Today, we're talking about Apple's latest, the Apple Vision Pro. Apple's leap into the future of tech. Unveiled on June 5, 2023, at Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference, this mixed reality marvel opened its gates for pre-orders on January 19, 2024. The United States got its hands on it on February 2, 2024, with the rest of the world eagerly awaiting its turn. While they might seem interesting, we need to talk about the possible problems they could cause. This includes worries about privacy, concerns about surveillance, and thinking about how they might affect mental health and isolation. The introduction of Apple's Vision Pro marks a significant leap in technological innovation, yet it unfurls a disquieting dilemma at the core of our digital existence: the encroachment on personal privacy. The capabilities embedded in these goggles, such as projecting screens onto users' vision and simultaneously capturing their surroundings, inherently pose a profound threat to individual privacy. The potential to track eye movements and record the environment raises pertinent questions about the ethical trade-offs society is willing to make in pursuit of technological progress. To safeguard the rights and autonomy of individuals, there is an urgent need to establish robust safeguards and ethical boundaries that strike a delicate balance between innovation and the preservation of privacy in our ever-expanding digital landscape. The new Apple Vision Pro, with its cool AR features, can be both awesome and tricky. It adds fun digital stuff to real life, making it super interesting. But there's a problem: it might make people forget about the real world around them. It's like a game that's so cool, you forget everything else. This could be a big issue because spending too much time in the digital world might mean less time with real people. It's like choosing a fake world over the real one, and that can make people lonely and not so happy. So, while cool tech is fun, we need to be careful not to let it take away our real connections and make us feel alone. In this new age of cool inventions, like smart gadgets and fancy apps, it's important for both the people using them and the folks making them to be careful and fair. We all need to talk and work together to make sure these new things don't cause problems. People who create these gadgets should make sure to keep our privacy safe by designing things in a way that protects it. They should also be clear about how they use our information and let us have control over it. On the other side, we, the users, need to be smart too. We should understand that sometimes we give up some privacy for convenience. And it's also good for all of us to spend time with real people, not just our screens, finding a good balance between the cool tech stuff and our real lives. In conclusion, as we step into a future filled with exciting technological innovations, such as Apple's Vision Pro, it becomes imperative to approach progress with a thoughtful and balanced mindset. While these advancements hold immense potential for enhancing our lives, they also bring forth ethical concerns and considerations. The integration of cutting-edge features, like augmented reality, necessitates a careful examination of potential consequences, such as privacy infringement and the impact on mental well-being. Striking a delicate equilibrium between innovation and ethical boundaries is crucial to ensure that these advancements contribute positively to our lives without compromising fundamental values. As consumers, developers, and society at large engage in open dialogue and collaboration, we pave the way for a future where technological progress aligns harmoniously with human well-being and ethical principles.